Data recovery from a water-damaged phone. Do you worry about forgetting your phone on the balcony, leaving it in the pocket of jeans that you just washed, dropping it while relaxing in the tub/pool, or simply having a drink spilled on it? Water can destroy your phone in an instant. If your phone was submerged in water, sending it in for professional data recovery is the only viable choice. Data integrity is one of our top priorities. Each device is disassembled, placed in an ultrasonic cleaner, and then carefully dried without the use of heat or pressure, which would damage crucial components. As tempting as it may be, turning on the phone should only be done once the phone's components are thoroughly dried out and properly cleaned. Otherwise, the motherboard and various connectors will sustain heavy electrical damage, adding more problems to the already challenging phone failure. If your phone ever gets water damaged, it is important that you immediately turn it off, remove the battery, and take as many of its components apart as possible. Wiping and drying them well will help control the damage, although it is unlikely to fix the problem as some corrosion will inevitably build up inside the phone components. Suppose the data on the water-damaged phone is critical and not backed up. In that case, it is recommended to seek the help of professionals with extensive water-damaged phone data recovery experience. A deep knowledge of what each component is responsible for, and how they all work together is essential for the success of the recovery procedure, as, otherwise, irreversible damage can be easily caused, resulting in a possible permanent data loss. It is not always possible to visually see the damage, even with a microscope, which is when the use of highly technical schematics and advanced diagnostic software is required. Once the phone is responsive, it is not uncommon to encounter logical issues with the data, which call for additional recovery procedures before any user data can be successfully recovered.